Hello guys, this video I will show you the LCD display CMS mobile app LedArt operation. Firstly, we need to turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot of the LCD Android board. Enter the menu interface of Magic Player. For mouse and touchscreen users, you can enter the settings interface by clicking 3 times on any corner of the LCD screen. Open the mobile app LedArt. Click on Device Search. Find the corresponding Android board. After connecting successfully, we can view the basic information of the Android board. Now you can edit and send the program content. Click on the plus on the right to edit the program. You can add 30 programs such as pictures, videos, and text according to your needs. Here we will send a video. After adding a program, click on Send. After sending, the program can be played on the LCD terminal display screen. How to achieve program area overlap. Here we add 2 videos and overlap a clock. After adding, simply click Send. How to send multiple programs. Let's add the first video program first. Click on the More sign in the upper left corner. Click on Add Program in the program list. Continue to add the second video program. Attention! After adding 2 programs, you need to return to the program list interface and click Send. After sending, the program can be played in a sequential loop. Mobile app LedArt features. Click on Settings in the upper right corner. Click on Shake. Select a video or image. Shake your phone or slide it up to send the program. In addition, we can use the mobile app LedArt to achieve the functions such as switching screen on or off and program clearing.